Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss a special topic, that is market variances. This is me RABEEH OVUNGAL. Welcome back to EduCafia. For selling a material in a market, for every material there will be having a market size. How much people are there to buy the material, that is market size. Market share, for example, Jio. We know that in telecom industry, VI is there, Airtel is there, Jio is there. For example, imagine that Jio having 60% of that market share in India. That means if 100 crore people are there in India population, in that 100 crore population, 16 crore, that is 16%, are using Jio. And balance 14%, that is for VI and Airtel. So this is nothing but market share. So whenever our market share is increasing in the market, that is because of our reputation, that is because of our service we are giving, it will increase our profitability also. So most of the people in the business are, not everybody in the business are trying to increase their market share, their share in the market, influence in the market. You got it? So, two things are there. If you are doing this business in India, there may be 100 CR people. If you are going to Russia or China, there will be having 200 CR people. I mean, CR means crores. So, if you go to China, means if you are having 60% there, that means you are having 120 CR customers. If it is India, you are having 16 CR customers. So, according to the size also changing, the profit also will change. The sales also will change. Correct? So, market variances. We have studied sales variances that we divided to price variance and the volume variance. And this volume variance we have divided to mix variance and quantity variance. And why and because of two things, this quantity variance will change. This quantity, the quantity we are getting, how much quantity we are selling, that will change according to two things. That is what we are having in the market share and market size, where we are selling. If you are selling in India, if you are selling in China, that market size is different. So if you are having different market share and if you are in different market sizes, the sales also will be different. The quantity also will be different. The profit also will be different. The sales value variance will be there. You got it? So normally there will be questions in the CMA like what are the two peoples of the sales quantity variance? It's nothing but market share variance and market size variance. Okay, so this market share variance and market size variance is called market variances. Okay, so market share variance and market size variance is called market variances. First one, market share variance. Market share variance is nothing but what we are expecting some share. For example, just to take in India, I am expecting that I am having 16% share. We are expecting a future, not currently. If you are asking about live, no need to expect. I can directly look to the data and I will get the actual value. We are expecting for the next 3 months or 4 months, expecting for the budgeting, right? We are expecting we will be having a 60% share in India. But actually we had only 55%. Then the total quantity we are expecting from this, that will reduce, profit will reduce, sales will reduce, right? So the actual market share we are expecting, actual market share minus what we are expected market share into actual market size. Okay, we are expecting that market size is 1 CR. 1 CR people will be there, population will be there. But because of some corona and something, Many people died. Now it is only 90 lakhs. But actually 90 lakhs, but we expected 1 CR. So actual market size also we will calculate. Then our contribution margin. Our standard mix contribution margin. Standard mix means budgeted mix. Our budgeted contribution margin, selling price, what is there? Our budgeted selling price will be there. Otherwise, contribution margin will be there. If we having multiple products, we have to take weighted average. So that price, if you calculate, then we will get market share variance. For example, we will do a question. My budgeted contribution margin per biryani. I am selling biryani. I am having hotel. My hotel name is Rahmat Hotel. You know, if you're if you went to Calicut, Kozhikode in Kerala, there is a famous hotel called Rahmat Hotel. In Calicut, there are many hotels also like Rahmat Hotel and Paragon and Ustad Hotel. There are many hotels in Calicut. In every hotel, they are selling biryani. Whatever biryani. Many biryanis are the chicken biryani, beef biryani, and maybe you are against beef, sorry. So, chicken, beef, fish, vegetable biryani. So, different types of biryanis are there. So, we are not talking about different types. We are talking about biryani. So, biryani, these people are selling. So, my hotel is Rahmat Hotel. So, in Calicut, I budgeted, I calculated, estimated that 1 lakh biryani will be sold. 1 lakh biryani is going to sell in Calicut. In that, 10,000 biryani is my biryani. So, I am having 10% market share. In that 1 lakh, 10,000 is my biryani, right? So, 10% market share I am having. But actually what happened? Only 18,000 biryani sales happened in the market. So that is the only size. Of that, 6,000 is mine. So 6,000 by 18,000. That is equal to, I don't know what is the value. So that much percentage only I am having in that market. So that is my market percentage. So your market share difference is there, and size we thought like 1 lakh will be there, but 18,000 size only, market size only there. So what is market share variance? Actual market share minus expected market share. What is actual market share? Actually we 18,000, in that 18,000 only 6,000 is mine, right? So 6,000 by 18,000 minus expected market share. In that 1 lakh, 10,000 is mine. So 10,000 by 1 lakh into actual market size in units. What is the actual market size? 18,000. When we are talking about the market share variance, we need to know, we are talking about the market share difference, percentage difference. And not only that, we need to know what is the market size. Of that size, this much difference is there. Actually, what is the size? Size 18,000 into what is my contribution margin? Contribution margin is given 20. If multiple not only I am selling biryani, I am selling many other things also there. Parota, any other things, that means that I have to find it out, weighted average. We already know how to calculate weighted average. We have to budgeted quantity and budgeted contribution margin. That we have to multiply, we will get the total value. That total value we have to divide with the total quantity. Then also you will get 20, because here only one product. So I am multiplying with the 20. Then 14,000 unfavorable. Because of this changes in the market share and market size, because of this market share, $14,000 negative value, that is unfavorable. You got it? Next, market size variance. Here nothing but we are comparing the actual market size and expected market size. That's all. Here we will take expected market share, because we are talking about the size, right? So we will take expected market share. Then contribution margin, weighted average, contribution margin. Okay, so the same question. What is my actual market size? 18,000. What is my expected? 1 lakh. So 18,000 minus 1 lakh. What is my expected market share? That is nothing but 10,000 by 1 lakh. That is 10%, right? So 10,000 by 1 lakh into what is my weighted average cost? That is $20. So $20 dot cost contribution margin, that is equal to 14,000 unfavorable. That is also 14,000 unfavorable because of that is a negative value. Here you can see it is a small value, this is a bigger value, you will get a negative value, right? So this is nothing but share variance and size variance. Very easy, right? So this is all about variances and equations, and everything is over. From this video onwards, there is no equations and nothing regarding level 1 and level 2 and level 3. It is finished. Okay, so see you on next video. I will pin the notes in the description box, and I try to take a newspaper and a newsprint paper or a A4 sheet and try these questions your own, whether you are getting or not. Okay, bye bye.